BOSA Foods, authentic Italian.
Well, that's right. Another BOSA segment. BOSA superstar. She's back again, Christina.
Hello, Jim.
You are one of our superstars. That's right. She's relaxing with a handheld microphone right now. We are here at the Italian Cultural Center in East Vancouver. It's a King of Cheese event. I'm learning more and more. I'm eating a lot today, of course, but it's all about celebrating Parmigiano.
That's right.
Reggiano.
Parmigiano-Reggiano. We're here, like you mentioned. This is the Parmigiano-Reggiano event that we're celebrating with all our wonderful friends in the industry and sharing what BOSA Foods has to offer with one of our favorite and best-selling cheeses that we have in the industry.
Yeah, this is your number one deal, isn't it? That people come to you specifically for this official Parmigiano-Reggiano.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, that's good. She mentioned friends in the industry. Let's go meet some of those friends in cheese industry now. Well, he's a Canadian author, cook, and host of several internationally syndicated television shows. He's also the author of a lot of cookbooks, folks. It's a great pleasure to welcome Chef David Rocco. Chef, thank you for joining us here today.
Yeah.
It is, you're really in the middle of what we're all doing here today, a certain brand, the Parmigiano-Reggiano. Let's talk about that, because you're an ambassador here.
I am, and it's a dream job because it is the iconic Italian cheese. We say it's the king of all cheeses.
Yeah.
And Parmigiano-Reggiano is something I grew up with as a good Italian boy. It's almost in, that wide range of Italian cooking and recipes. And it's just so incredibly, it's just a great opportunity to represent them and speak on their behalf.
To our viewers, one of the things that I've discovered, and our viewers, we hear from them with the segments we've been doing over the last year with BOSA Foods, who are connected here, of course, is we're getting a real education on quality products like this. Can you give our viewers a little maybe education of why this brand, this cheese is so premium?
Well, it's an incredible story. I mean, the monks started making Parmigiano-Reggiano about 1,000 years ago.
Yeah.
It's made with 3 ingredients: milk, rennet, and salt. Basta. That's it. Nothing else. And it's been made the exact same way these last 1,000 years. So when you think of, an ingredient or a product to have that kind of legacy and, not be changed with modern technology is really a tribute to the quality and also the culture of Italian cooking.
It's also true that there's a real stringent kind of setup too with this cheese. Like there are hoops you got to jump through to have that official brand stamped on your cheese.
Absolutely. It's Parmigiano-Reggiano, not Parmesan, not Parm. But, I think for an Italian and for Italophiles alike, this is a cheese that is symbolic of quality, of legacy, of history. And, when you think about the monks, when they started making it, they didn't make it because they wanted to sell globally.
Yeah.
It's just taken that course, and it's just, I think people that are into cooking understand that a little goes a long way, and because you're eating it, I mean, it's all about quality. You don't want to put anything inferior.
Chef, got to ask you too about the rind, because people may not know about that either.
Oh, it's an incredible cheese, and every aspect of the cheese can be eaten. That's right. So sometimes, you'll buy a cheese and you throw out the rind. No. Parmigiano-Reggiano, you can use the rind in everyday cooking. So I always save it, and I use it for my my sauces, my tomato sauce, my ragouts.
Nice.
Soups.
Okay.
So you're making a minestrone soup, you throw it in, and it just gives additional flavor. You want to put on the barbecue or on a griddle.
Yeah.
It melts, it crisps up, you chop it up, and you throw it into a salad. So you use all aspects of it.
That's fantastic.
And the other thing about this cheese, which a lot of people don't realize, it's lactose free. There's a reason why they call it the king of cheese.
That's amazing. Yeah, my co-host Lita, who's not here today, lactose intolerant, cannot have it, so that's fantastic.
Yeah. Well, now she can have it, yeah.
Alessandro, you're a trade marketing specialist in this world of Parmigiano-Reggiano. You're here in Vancouver. Talk to us about what it is that you want to, what's the goal? What do you want to do?
Oh, thanks for this opportunity to speak about Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese and the consortium. We are here in Vancouver for promotion and speak about Parmigiano-Reggiano. because the consortium born 90 years ago, and our goal is to promotion about the Parmigiano-Reggiano, speak about the Parmigiano-Reggiano, and in this type of event, sample, try, educated the people to the real Parmigiano-Reggiano. Taste it. The three simple ingredients: milk, salt, and rennet. It's the same recipe of 1,000 years.
Yeah.
It's crazy, yeah? We don't.
Why mess with perfection, right?
We speak about now in this time of the clean label. This is a clean label because it's only 3 ingredients.
The company she heads as CEO is called Dalla Bona. It's Elisabetta, and her name is Dalla Bona. She is the CEO. Hey, you were on the show, I think 2 summers ago when we first started with BOSA.
Yes.
Your family has been around a little while. They've been making great cheese for 70 years.
Exactly.
Tell our viewers about your company.
Well, first of all, thank you so much for having me here again. It's a pleasure. I love Vancouver. It's always a very welcoming place. Yeah, the company is a family business. It has been a family business for 70 years now, and I'm the 4th generation working on it.
Wow.
It started with my great-grandfather and my grandfather. They were cheese makers. And we started from 2 wheels a day. So now we have more than 400 wheels produced every day. Here with BOSA, we carry some specialties. We have the 40 months Reggiano and 2 different biodiversity. So this made with different cows from the black and white Jersey. This one and these 2 from the brown cow and red cow. So we try to bring something special every year to keep you entertained a little bit with our cheeses.
Yeah, so it really is important for you to come to markets like Vancouver to showcase your brands. And one of the threads running through the segment today has been authenticity and the supremacy of this great cheese, that you don't buy imitations.
No, basically this is a cheese with 1,000 years of history, and all of the producers are strictly controlled by the consortium that is here also today. We probably talked with Alessandro. So we close working together to preserve this seed, to promote it, and to try to keep the tradition living.
Well, as we get ready to wrap up this great spotlight on the King of Cheese, we're here at the Italian Cultural Center, of course, and we're wrapping things up with the Executive Director, Mario, and we wanted to have you on because we're actually in a new section of the center.
This is a new area for Il Centro. This is our renovated osteria, which is now called Osteria al Centro. We have a full kitchen, full bar, and we're just close to opening this venue. We want people to check us out. And make sure you come and join us. Bring your family, bring your friends. We should be looking to open in the next couple of weeks.
Oh, that's good to hear. Okay, and more information on the Cultural Center itself, they can get that where?
They can get it on our website.
Which is?
The ItalianCulturalCenter.ca.
Excellent. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.